In this video, I am going to show you how to add or remove menu bar items from your Mac. So on the top right corner, you are seeing couple of items are there, like screen recorder, then some remote access, some video player or battery, something like that. Sometimes you also see Wi-Fi also. So how we can actually make those enable or hidden? That means we can add or remove these items. In this video, I will show you. So to do this thing, at first we need to click the Apple menu and it will expand like this. From here, we have to choose system settings. I'm going to click here. The system settings window will be appeared. From here, we'll find left side different menu items are there, but we'll not go every menu items. Rather, we'll go inside control center. I'm going to click control center and very shortly it will be expanded on the right side. And here we'll see different items are there like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, focus, and so many things. Right now there is no Wi-Fi icon is there. That means it is hidden, right? So how we can hide or unhide? So next to Wi-Fi, you will see there is a small arrow or like box, and if you move your cursor and if you click here, it will be expanded in it will give us two options. One is show and there is don't show. Show in menu bar and don't show in menu bar. So if I want to make it visible, we need to choose the first option, show it menu bar. So it will be visible right now. Now you are seeing like that. So in this way, if you want to hide any other item or if you want to show any of this item, you can do from this way. Now there is another way I can do. If we scroll, now you will see this type of options are there. These are radio button, you can say, or switch button, you can say. Switch button, basically not radio button, switch button. If you check like click here, it will be in color, otherwise it will be gray color or like no color basically. So if we click here, the battery will be visible. So here it is showing battery, right? Show in menu bar. So if we click here, the switch will be on and it will be showing over there. And if you want to hide this, we can click again and it will be hidden. So in this way, we can actually on or off all these items. Like these are the items. Now if we scroll down, we'll see there is menu bar only. So these are the items. You can also change based on hide or unhide, or you can also choose different format. Like for example, this is a clock, right? Now it is showing digital clock. If you want to see analog clock, we can also go here clock option, and then we can choose from style to analog, and you will see the clock is now analog. But I'm not interested to change that, so I'm going to convert it to, revert it to digital, and I'm going to press done. And once you are happy with like enable or disable, not enable, disable, basically hide or unhide these items, you can actually close this control panel or system settings, and that's it. In this way, we can easily add or remove menu bar items on Mac.